Hello, welcome back. I'm Nancy Valdivia, Children's Librarian for Palm Springs Public Library, and our summer reading theme is Reading Colors Your World. Le da color a tu mundo. And this week we are making crystal names using borax powder. And as you can see, this is just forming little by little crystal name. Have fun and enjoy! Borax crystal name. You have your borax powder. You'll need 3 tablespoons of the borax powder. I'll measure that out now. Okay, we'll use that later. And you'll need a cup of water, but the water needs to be hot. So have a grown-up help you with that. Only 1 cup of water for every 3 tablespoons of borax. In your kit you have 3 tablespoons. Have a pair of scissors. You'll need also a wooden skewer or a pencil, some yarn, and we'll start off with the pipe cleaners here, and you'll also need a container. Alright, so I'm going to start with pipe cleaners. I've chosen the blue. And just start bending. If you do individual letters, you'll need more containers, and of course more borax. But I'm going to try and use 1 pipe cleaner to do a name. That's what's tricky. If you have to do it again, that's fine. Pipe cleaners are cool. You can redo the name if you need to. It's all about pressing and pinching. So I've got my M. Here's my I. And I'm going to make a letter L. Over. And then the letter O. Milo. Minus the dot in the I. Milo. And I take some string so that can hang inside while I'm okay. All right, now to make our solution. So this is the part where you need a grown-up to help you with the hot water, because this does require hot water. 1 cup of hot water, so it's 3 tablespoons of borax powder, which we have here, and then 1 cup of water, hot water, so that the borax powder will dissolve. So have a grown-up help you with this part. Borax powder, cup of 1, and immediately mix. I'm going to put this in this mason jar here. Milo. Alright, go ahead and make sure that it's hanging in the jar, not touching the side. Sometimes it can be difficult depending on the size of your container. But this is 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of borax powder, and an old-fashioned jelly jar. And we wait a day for the crystals to begin forming. Okay, so we've taken the name out of the jar, and look at those crystals forming on this name here, Milo. Nice and big and beautiful and very hard. Quick tip to make your crystals come out a little brighter so you can see them actually forming on the pipe cleaner that I have here. Add some food coloring. Remember, I just use 1 pipe cleaner here, but you can use more than 1 if you like. And a little tip, food coloring. All right, thank you. Have fun.